Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, my little nooklings. Today we'll be reading Big Bird's Red Book. Big Bird's Red Book. Written by Rosanne and Jonathan Cerf. Illustrated by Michael J. Smallin. Red is a very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. This book is going to be about things that are red. Like, well, er, um, uh, you know, red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right there in this bag. Something red, something red. That's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Red is a very beautiful color. I think you're gonna like it. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. I seem to have some birdseed in here. Birdseed isn't red. Hey, none of this stuff is red. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this here bag. Well, I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. Quash. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a bag full of tomatoes on this bench. The end. Big Bird is kind of silly, isn't he? Well, that was Big Bird's Red Book. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks all.